Welcome to the Dave It Yourself channel, the home of unique RC creations and unique RC views. Dave It Yourself, stick around.
All right, let's see what we can do here. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, not cool enough to stop talking about it though, is it? This way.
Pretty cool, man.
Coming at you, brother. All right, well, I was trying to get them in that camera. We'll see if we got any of that. Bring them on down in here with no throttle. Here we go, coming right at me here. Really coming right at me. Oh, wow. All right. Guys are racing their cars down there. Touch and go, baby!
Nice. So we'll go ahead and you can hear those guys scraping up some trucks back there. I think those are the guys that are running the 2S dragsters. All right, so let's see what we got here. Gonna go ahead and kick on some flaps. Slow him way on down. There he goes, dropping like a mofo. Haha. All right, let's bring him on in. All right, nice and easy. Oh, that was not easy. Ooch. Ooch, chica, wah, wah. Let's fire him up one more time for a quick up and down landing. See how that works. Oh, that front gear looks a little jagged. Yeah, that front gear looks a little jagged after that crappy landing. So we'll bring him on back around real quick. And see if we can bring that landing in a little better. That was horrible, horrible, horrible. That was horrible. Fucked up my front gear. I was just talking about on my live stream. Yeah, you got to make sure that you land on those rear wheels. Yeah, you do, but then you can't slam down the front ones, you big dork. Here's an idea of something to think about. Oh, those flaps are too much. Oh, okay, I'm not trying anymore. Those flaps were too much. I got the flap deflection way too much there. Let's look at that front wheel. That thing is skeetered, look at it. Unless it's just way off. Let's see. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh no. That wheel's a little skeetered. Oh yeah. Just got ourselves a little bow to her there. Little bender. All right, good deal. But at least we got the camera recording, so that was sweet. And it's still on there. With, guess what? Paper tape and hot glue. Boink. Ugh. And I did put a little dimple in there to hold the nipple at the bottom here. But there you go. Paper tape and hot glue. That's how that works, folks. Booyah. So there we go. There is the flight of the, I don't know what the manufacturer is with this plane, but the Petrenchis brothers, I think it's called the Hool or the Hookle or something like that. Anyway, nonetheless, here's mine. Here's my, this is my third flight on it, third or fourth flight. Still haven't learned to land it any better, as you can tell. Now the wheels just starting to take a little bit of a punishment, which I knew was going to be a weak spot here. But don't sweat that, because we'll have that thing bent back, ready to go. And if it needs paper tape and hot glue, you know me, I will do it. So until next time, I am Dave. That is the Cessna 500, or Cessna 182 500. I guess that means I don't know what the 500 part means, and I don't know who the manufacturer is, but that's it. And then those are the easy lights you see on the wings blinking and on the tail. And then also I had the Insta360 GO on this bad boy. So hopefully you enjoyed all that. And if so, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Make sure you're subscribed. I've got big, matter of fact, just humongous giveaways coming up on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed and catch me on Sunday nights, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's only for 60 minutes after dinner with Dave. Don't miss out. So until next time, and until I see you again, I am Dave, and we are out of here. Yeah, you gotta make sure that you land on those rear wheels. Yeah, you do, but then you can't slam down the front ones, you big dork. Nah.